Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to your Excel solutions for today. Today we want to look at date format. Sometimes we have dates in Excel. Normally the format will be in this or this, but we want to create it in our own format. What tool can we use to do this? We can use the custom format. So quickly we'll go to Home tab and go to the number group, or simply right click and go to Format Cells. Then we choose Custom. Then we scroll to the date section. Okay, we can start with this. So assuming that we want our format to start with a date, so we'll introduce our apostrophe, inverted comma, then we'll type in date, bring in the colon and close the apostrophe. We'll introduce a little bit space after the colon. Then we have our day. We want to be separated by a full stop, so instead of the hyphen we use a full stop in there, and we want our year to show fully. Then we click on OK. So the format is really being applied to this cell. When I use an equal sign and reference it to this date which we have on the left, this is what we will get. So you'd see we have date 20th February 2020, which is what it means that we have formatted this particular date into the format we wanted. You can also choose another form where we want dates to be highlighted red. Simply put, you can format this cell. So assuming I'm referencing the same cell, so I'll reference it before I start. So I'll select the cell, go to Home tab, go to Number Format, select the light dialog box, still go to Date, Custom Date here. I'll go up there where we have the type. I want my date to be red, so I'll type red, close it, and I now want it to be separated by this straight line. Then I want it to be full year, so I'll add another Y to it and click on OK. To see the format in which our date is in. We now have 21st of February 2020 in the format we want it. This is how smart you can really use the custom format to really format dates in your own way. Thank you very much for following us on Excel Solutions. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.